What start with E and end with E and has one letter in it?
Four leg.
How you get four leg?
I get four leg. Not a foul.
They keep on saying Jamaica is not a real place. What I keep on saying, us Jamaicans aren't real people. Let's get into this video. We have a nice piece of lineup. We're gonna make you laugh till you start crying. No long talking. Run it.
When you invite a Rasta to sing at a gospel concert,
all right, you want some Christian song? You want some religious? All right. Christmas time, it's a Christmas time. Me sing Christmas time, it's a Christmas. Oh God, you know want Christmas in that? No. All right. Let me go. We chop up on that one now. Yeah. Jesus love me, this I know. From my foot to me toe. Jesus love me, this I know. From me toe to me toe, from me foot to me toe. Jesus love me, this I know. From me foot, bang, and me toe. Me say Jesus love. My youth. Rhythm. Jesus love me, say Jesus love me, say. From me head, me say from me toe, me say Jesus love me, say. Rhythm.
I want me just watch a skit or a reel something. That can't real. That have to be a skit. There's no way that real. And I can't real rasta that. That's a bubble. That's a natty. Moving forward.
Deserve it. Me I do music from 16 and me at 36 now. 30 years me I do music.
Let's watch that again. And let's do the match together.
Deserve it. Me I do music from 16 and me at 36 now. 30 years me I do music.
She had 36 and she had the music from she had 16. 30 years in the music business. Alright, Lisa Hype. All we're gonna say right now is you need to go back to kindergarten. That's it. Moving forward. The original song was And I Cry, but me move that and say, watch out, mama, watch murderer ball. Go on to jail.
Holy shop, Joker, holy shop.
So where we are go?
Where me, in the water we are go first.
No man, I want you to say.
In the water we are go first, brother. I want this.
Yeah! Claude, Danny, no man, Danny. This last Claude, no make free up here. Calm down, but Danny, I pray up here, man. I want to carry me in a man.
No, it don't go water enough. Danny, every your body's blood.
No, Danny. Yeah. Me Jesus.
Yo, you think I'm good on in a man?
Father, help me. Yeah,
I'm good on, man.
You want? Sugar boss. Danny, I want to you, man. Me no feel good up here, so I'm scared.
Yo, make sure someone can't swim in a car.
You hear me say, live your life, young man. That's what mama say. Come on, man. Come on, come die that man. You know, see you sitting there, go up. Live your life, young.
You know, see you sitting there, go. Why ain't no joke at this start? And I know it's a joke afraid of water, joke afraid of sea, joke afraid of land, joke afraid of air, joke afraid of Johnny, joke afraid of everything. Look on joker face, man. Let's continue watching.
Claude.
Way up!
No, sir, Father God, do. Me not look down there, you know.
Look down
there, man. Danny, you idiot. We not live no life yet, Jesus. All them you want. We not live no life yet, man. All them you want no time to come in. Rasta. Look how far the boat there. We not like up here, man. Me not like up here, Jesus. Danny, how you pull?
Jesus Christ.
Then we are going to pass all that big shit to push reach money. Yeah. No, sir.
Don't worry about that gun. If this boss say you got to grow.
Oh, God. Father God, do. Nice, man.
People, what do you think?
No, sir. Me don't like it. Me really don't like it. Me don't like it. Me all a pain. I feel like more shit. I don't feel good up here. I don't feel good up here, Jesus. Me I tell you God truth. Me don't feel good.
Daddy.
Weak. You weak, man. You weak, man.
Joker, live your life, young man. Live your life.
Like that, some man, you eat that, man. I don't like this class. Look how it a swing on a rock with me, man. I don't like it, man.
Jokers right now, my belly not feel right. Feel like my all want poop. Oh my gosh. But I probably feel the same way, Joker. Me understand Joker. Don't bring Joker up in our ear again like that. It's a good view still. It's a good look. Moving forward. More Joker on Drizzy channel. By the way, be a laugh or no laugh, you know. So just like the video. Remember, by liking the video, you're helping me defeat the YouTube algorithm because they now push me long form videos them. I kid you not. 200 views in 24 hours. You get me? I say, like your video, man. Like your video. So you know me have to remove this song because of copyright. So this man and this late they were bubbling too. Spice, wine and go down there. Watch your boss now. Hold him. Hold her. Hey, waistline. They man a waistline grease wicked, you know. Watch mama a waistline and move. Mama bubble, you know, and boss a bubble behind her, she, you know. Go on, bossy. Hold her, bossy. Wine, bossy. Hey, anybody him catching her roll on the condom, you know, man, a trouble, you know. Watch her, watch the bartender girl. Watch her. She know what she a doing, you know. My man a go home.
What country has the funniest people in the world?
Jamaica.
Jamaica? Yeah? Okay,
I know a guy with cancer and they call him soon dead.
If you laugh, you're going to hell. The man say, he know a Jamaican who have cancer and then call the man so dead. You know, me even know if must move forward. If you laugh, you know where you're going. And it's not heaven.
Brother, me see 5 hood in a Jesse phone. And me wake her up, brother. Me wake her up. 5 hood. And the whole of the 5 hood, them bigger than Fimi hood. My hood not in her phone. Brother, Fimi hood is not in her phone. Me see some hood along so in a Jesse phone.
From the looks of him, we know why Jessie have 3 different eggplant in her phone. Look on him. Jessie is not a lesbian. Jessie no want a girl. Jessie want a man. Use a bitch, brother. Look at you. Are this Jamaican man gone to man? My God. Oh my. Yo. Oh. This a piece of video now. I play higher level. Look like a porridge with weed. Watch her now. Watch her. Everybody first. Watch her. Kiss me more. Next piece of video is a look voice note. One man want trust front. I kid you not.
You know, I respect your business and everything. I try friend out your business, but they are by myself in the night. No, if you could you know, trust me, like pump till month 10. I know the government where things set up already. Me now get paid till next week. I don't know if you could just help me out with that till pay run.
Jeffrey, you better if you not come on my phone with the foolishness, you know. Every month you talk about government, that and trust. When you mash up and rev out my front.
Jeffrey, if you don't have your money, don't voice note the lady. Cause when you rev out and mash up your woman front, where she gonna use and buy tampon? Where she gonna use and buy stay free? Where she gonna use and buy Pro Max and where you want to call it? You can't, the lady not trust her front, brother. No, bring your money, come. Call the government, make the government trust you. And give you advance. Anyways. Hope you like the video. Share the video on Facebook. Yeah, just click share on Facebook and share it at least one of your family members on WhatsApp or something. Yeah, man, by sharing, show that you're caring. You see me I say? And leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the video. And which one of the videos are your favorite video? And what again? Me no remember. But anyway, stay safe. God bless.